It's a strange kind of phase when you let go. Let your life flow like a river. Break away from material ego. You never know what's around the corner for you. We all got our beefs and our struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. So we're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Maybe the day will be better. Okay, deep in a world of secrets, that's where you find the magic. Easy to disbelieve it, difficult to imagine. We are unstoppable if we break down the walls, yeah. We all got our beefs and our struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Say we're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Maybe the day will be better. Maybe the day will be better.
woke up feeling pretty good and feeling like I should go out on a run.
Don't know where, I don't care.
Put my headphones on and played my favorite song and drifted off to a different space.
A different time and place.
It's a feeling I can't ignore. It comes knocking on my door and
I'm ready, I'm ready.
when those bad thoughts find their way, I'ma slam the door and say, I'm not here to play. I tell him not today.
Oh,
Nah, 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 not today.
today, maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow, not today.
Oh,
Nah, 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 not today.
not today, maybe.
Today I woke up, skies are looking gray and I just wanna stay in bed all day. Then I pretend the sun is shining and butterflies are flying over my head. It's a feeling I can't ignore. It comes knocking on my door and
I'm ready, I'm ready.
when those bad thoughts find their way, I'ma slam the door and say, I'm not here to play. I tell them not today.
Oh,